Hi, I'm April Field. I'm a jeweler, and we are at the Senior Craft Show exhibition at University of the Arts. As long as I can remember, my mom is really into arts and crafts, and when I was younger she would have us make our own Christmas tree ornaments and do all that type of stuff. And what really got me involved was when she started teaching and I was her assistant, and I would help her teach her craft classes, and as an added bonus I got to use the extra materials. I've done a great variety. I've learned both all aspects of metals, which is my concentration, and I've also attended a lot of fibers classes where I've learned weaving. I've learned how to dye fabric, and I've learned how to make constructed surfaces, and I've also taken a glass class in glass blowing. And this is one of my thesis pieces. It is called crystallization because it is a crystal that I grew out of borax. I basically made a solution similar to making sugar crystals and then grew it on a chain. And I got a really organic form, which is a lot of what my work is about. It's all about how things grow. This piece, I started looking at different types of coral, and I looked at this one type called Gorgonian coral, and it is what this piece is named after. It's called the Gorgonian collar, and I basically have gotten really into these wire weaving technique, as I call it, which is kind of like crocheting. It looks like crocheting, but it's done a little bit differently. I basically pull the wires through them through each other. This is made entirely in that technique. This piece is called Electrocora. This was also based off of a certain type of coral, albacora, and I took each of these little pieces that kind of look like little flower buds, were either pieces of wire or pieces of monofilament that I then electroformed, which is this metals process where you basically let metal grow on a surface. This piece I've been working on for a while. It pretty much represents the growth patterns that I've seen in all types of coral. These red pieces that look kind of harder are enamel on copper wire. Each of the copper wires I wove together and then coated with enamel, which is a powdered glass that you then fuse onto the metal. And it creates this really nice glazed surface. And in between I have these little crocheted pieces where I crocheted them with a really small hook and small thread and made these little balls of this pattern called hyperbolic planes, which is actually based in how coral grows. So there's a little bit of math in here, but you wouldn't know it by looking at it. Alright, if you'd like to see any more of my work, it is on my Flickr account. If you just look at April Field Designs, my work should be on there. This is April Field. I'm a jeweler graduating from University of the Arts, and you're watching Grind Harder magazine.